In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can import bits from from your laptop, from your phone, from whatever device into BandLab. Okay, so after you have the file in your device and you want to import it into BandLab, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so you just need to log in into your BandLab account. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. After that, you want to click on create here in the top right, and after that you can either click on song starter, generate an idea with AI, or if you have a project in your laptop, like if you have the file in your laptop, just click on a new project. Now after that, this will pop up. Okay, just give it a few seconds. It says here new track. Now if you have the file in your device, like I said, you just need to click here. It says import audio, and if you want to use BandLab sounds, or if you want to use your keyboard, if you want to create an instrument, you can just choose here. You can also capture your voice or any sound using your BandLab account. Now you just need to click on import audio. If you want to import it from your device, click on it, then find the audio. This is the audio, click on it, and as you can see, you have imported successfully the audio here. Okay, you can also import another audio by clicking on this plus button here, and then you will be able to find another one, and you can add them here. You can also change the volume here if you want to make changes. So you can also publish this if you want by clicking publish in the top right. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Trying to hit 5 likes on this tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.